Meet Mofuku Ando. Ando was a Japanese chef who created instant ramen noodles and cup of noodles as a quick and inexpensive way to help starving and poor people. Think and talk. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to turn and talk with a buddy to answer the following questions. If you're at home, you can talk with someone there with you or write your answers in your reading composition notebook. The questions are, have you ever had ramen noodles or cup of noodles? And do you think this food was easy to invent? Go. We're going to wrap up our conversations in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Study purpose. Ando noticed long lines of starving people in his country. Listen to find out how he helped solve this problem. So we are going to click here on the next slide to listen to this story.